Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to set HyperOS 3 lock screen clock on Samsung One UI 8.5. So let's begin. Okay guys, before start, first download this Movies widget app on your Galaxy device. This app download link available on description. Guys, remember I have pro version of Movies widget. So first hide lock screen clock. Simply tap and hold on lock screen and select adaptive clock and set adaptive clock completely thin. Now tap on adapted color and go to transparency and set complete low transparency. Look at this, my lock screen clock completely hide. Now set this clock like this and look at this, lock screen clock completely hide. Now open Movies widget and look at these many beautiful clocks. Simply go to big clock and tap on edit and look at these many beautiful styles. But style 5 and style 6, this is completely look like HyperOS 3 lock screen clock. Now simply tap on save and go back. Now go to Galaxy Store. Download Good Lock. After go to Good Lock, simply download and open. After open, simply update Lockstar module. Look at this Lockstar module. Now go to lock screen. Tap and hold. Now tap on Lockstar. Go to App Widgets. Scroll, go to Movies widget and select 2x2 Add widget. Now tap on Done and tap just one tap on Choose widget and unlock your device. Now go to Big Clock and select this big clock, tap on Select widget. Now go to Lock screen. After go to Lock screen, set this clock size completely big like HyperOS 3. Like this. Now tap on Done and look at this HyperOS 3 lock screen clock set on your Galaxy device. Guys, you set this lock screen clock also on home screen. Simply go to Movies widget, go to Clock and tap on Add to Home screen and simply add this clock on home screen. Increase size and look at this HyperOS 3 clock set on my Galaxy device. So guys, you also set this HyperOS 3 lock screen clock on your Galaxy device after One UI 8.5 update. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.